This 2025 Forest River Salem 27RKX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Wabash, IN 46992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.